Hello everyone and welcome as we explore the powerful AAOBOSI Cold Press Juicer for your modern kitchen. This machine features a massive 4-inch feed chute for juicing whole fruits without any pre-cutting needed. An advanced 8-stage snail design ensures maximum juice yield while preserving all essential vitamins and nutrients. You can easily clear any clogs using the convenient reverse mode for a very smooth juicing experience. The simplified design makes disassembly quick, and cleaning every part is effortless with the included specialty brush. Built-in safety sensors and automatic overheating protection keep your family safe during every single use. Enjoy fresh and healthy drinks daily with this compact and BPA-free appliance in your own home. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.